Let me teach you how to make a gerbera today. And what I'm using here is a pink jade twist bar. There are a lot of short sections. The length is 7.5 centimeters. It's just a stick cut into 4 pieces. Because a stick is generally 30 centimeters. Cut into 4 sections. And then it's 7.5 centimeters. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all these clubs and fold them in half. And this is the number of petals I glued together. I glued 15 on each layer. 15 for each floor. Now do the middle stamen. This is a green one. And we can spin this around like a spiral, and around and around. You could use a whole wand here. It is also more suitable to use a whole twist stick. Make it tighter. And then we do it. The circle of white. And here's the thing about wrapping this around the stem. After wrapping, pinch the whole root. Then gently take it out. Now let's make some small calyx. Let's take a look. Just fold it very short here. This is just to play a fixed roll. Fold it the size of a fingernail. Then fold a few folds. Fold to back and forth. So that's exactly 6 petals. In order to play a fixed roll. Now let's glue the white circles together first. After gluing, glue the ends to it. Then adjust the shape. Round it up. Just keep the elastic density almost there. Now glue this circle on top of this green one. Adjust its shape. Round, the middle one is ready. Start gluing petals now. Let's put some glue on the back of this. Half a shot. Then put the petals. Look at the shape of the petals from the front. Keep gluing. Then put it on. Turn around quickly. Adjust its shape from the front. Observe whether the length of each petal is appropriate. Is the spacing appropriate? Then quickly adjust each one. Now glue the second layer. The second layer is glued between the 2 petals on the first layer. Quickly hit some glue. Put the petals on quickly. Adjust the spacing from the front. We can do it half and half. The second layer is placed at the distance between the 2 petals of the first layer. Then adjust the shape after sticking. Check it from the front. Press hard with both hands. Make it stick stronger. Now this is basically done. Then we stick the calyx. Sticky calyx first cut off the excess stick of the calyx. Then glue on top of one calyx. Fix the flower pole. There can be a little more flower pole head here. Chrysanthemum has a hole in the back. The flower pole on it can make it a little more. Now glue the other half of the calyx too. A little more center glue. Then put a little glue on these 6 small flaps. And put it right in the middle. Here, hold it down. Hold that chrysanthemum with your left hand. Press the 2 sides of the stick with your right hand like this. Make it stick stronger. Let the glue dry. Let go again. If some glue doesn't look good, you can cut it off with scissors. Because the glue is white when it dries. Now grill the roots with a lighter. Pinch it with your hands. Pinch its roots a little thinner. Now let's adjust the shape of this petal. Break the petals up. The second layer here also needs to be broken. Move the petals upwards. Now turn the tip of the petal out a little bit. Let the tips of the petals arc a little outward. The operation here is the same on both floors. If some are uneven, you can adjust it yourself. Now put floral tape around the roots. Wrap the floral tape tighter at the beginning. Slowly set, then turn down. It's okay to wrap it around the bottom. Okay, today's tutorial is over.